Hey fellas, today it's the editor, the person that edits the videos, is his birthday. So today we're gonna be making a cake. I'm gonna be making a gluten-free cake because I can't eat gluten because my body can't digest it. Am I right, ladies? Anyways, so we're gonna be baking a cake and it's gonna be great. I didn't wash my hands. I don't think it's like mixing. Get in here, let's get this mixed. Oh. Am I right, ladies? Okay, so unfortunately we didn't have blue, but I thought that red and green would make blue. Turns out it doesn't make blue, it makes flesh color. So we're just gonna keep mixing. Am I right, ladies? We found the blue, and it turned into poopy color. Kind of looks like, it just looks like poopy. So we're gonna add a little bit more blue, and then hopefully it tastes like mega food coloring after we're done. It kind of looks like Yoda. So what we're gonna do is start this butter. Take the tiny pan, and we're gonna wrap it in butter. This is a trick that I learned from the Paula Dean herself. She told me what to do. She said, not only does she hate blacks, but she also knows how to cook a cake. Okay, put the sugar in the thing, right? Am I right, ladies? Ready? So you're gonna put the mix in there. Oh yeah. Okay, we're just gonna put it all the way up to the top because, okay. We're waiting for the cake to cook, and we're sitting here and we're watching a damn Christmas movie. Because the cameraman wants to watch Christmas movie because it's birthday. So, yeah, we're waiting for the cake to cook, and once it gets cooking, then we'll put it on a plate, and we'll ice it, and then we'll serve it.
Look at the top of his head. You better stop.
Okay. So what we're doing is we're making the icing, and what we're doing is we're putting the cream cheese in the thing, and then we're adding some sugar. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it flat so we can turn it over. So yeah, we're gonna level it. Now, I'm no cake expert, but I know that I'm not a cake expert. Okay. That looks pretty good. Okay, so we have the cake here. Nice and level, looking good, looking tasty. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait till it cools off a little bit, and then we're gonna ice it. Okay. So, unfortunately, I messed it up. I put too much cream cheese, and now it's too sugary, but we're gonna get cooking, and we're gonna put it on the cake anyway. So now we're going to ice the cake. Now what we've done.
Why do you want photographic evidence? This is wrong.
Stop. So we're going to take the icing. I'm just gonna pour it on the cake. Yes. That looks good. It's too thin because somebody doesn't like their icing thick. Okay, so now we're gonna spread the thing all over the cake. So this is the cake that I completed. It looks great. He's gonna love it. He's gonna love the way it tastes, the way it looks, the way it feels, the way it feels, the way it feels. It also, it kind of looks like a hat. I'm not gonna put that on my head. That's a bad idea. I'm so afraid that it's gonna be okay. Oh yeah. You know, I can feel that it's not done all the way. So, the cake is garbage. Tastes really bad. But, I mean, that's fine. So, you know what? It'll be fine. And, you know, it's fine.